In this part, we start creating the message bubble. So instead of showing each message line by line, we are going to put the message inside a bubble. So first, we are going to create a component called message.js. So later, we will use this message component to display the message. So we type RAFCE, and then we also import the style component. So we import the style from style component, and then we create the container, and this just use one declaration which displays is equal to flex. So we will use the flex box, and then we change this to container, and then we add the style component of message bubble, and it will have the padding, so the message inside the bubble will not too close to the edges. And we also want to make the padding bottom is larger, and we have the margin bottom 10 pixels, so each bubble will not be too close to each others. And we will get the user message and also the timestamp later. So we put this first from the chat content. So we put this, and then we use the message bubble, and then we put the message inside this message bubble. Now we already create this component, so we can back to the chat content.js. And now instead of using the div, we use the message, and let's see whether it can import from the message component. So we already import on the top, and we should not use material UI, so we try again, or we import by ourselves. So we delete this from // and message, so we can delete the closing div, and we use the self closing tag, and so we delete this one, and the message is equal to the message.message, so we put in another line, and then the user is equal to the message.user, and also the timestamp is equal to message.timestamp. So we save it, and now if we look at the website, and we can see the message is inside the bubble.